Pumpkin Kadabu.
To make pumpkin kadabu, take half pumpkin, cut it into 4 parts. Now peel them. Once you have peeled the skin, take a grater. Grate these pumpkin. Now take a bowl and add grated pumpkin to it. Take another bowl. Add 1 cup of idli rava and soak it in warm water. Let this rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Pack into a big bowl containing grated pumpkin, add half cup of grated coconut, 1 spoon of cumin seeds, four to 5 crushed pepper, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons of chopped red chilies, 1 tablespoon of salt. Now add soaked idli rava to the mix. Give it a gentle mix. Make sure the ingredients are well combined. You may add some water based on consistency. Once the mix is ready, take idli stand.
I have greased the idli plates using coconut oil. Put the dough on the plates, giving it a nice idli shape.
Once all the plates are filled, steam bake it for 30 minutes. Once they are baked, serve them with freshly prepared coconut chutney.
Baked kadabus have a soft and spongy texture. You can enjoy them with a homemade spicy coconut chutney.